In today's air fryer series, we are making delicious salmon fillets. These are 2 wild Alaskan salmon fillets that are going to cook up in the air fryer in about 8 to 10 minutes. If you want to season yours exactly like I did, I used a ginger, soy sauce, and spicy red pepper flakes. Just go ahead, sprinkle that over the top, a little bit of pink Himalayan salt, and a little bit of garlic powder, because it really wouldn't be me if I didn't put garlic on it. But if that all sounds good to you, stick around. Let's get started. And I want to show you how easy these are to cook up in your air fryer. All right, so if you want your salmon fillets to turn out just like mine, I am using the Chefman 6-quart air fryer. Go ahead and season the salmon just like I told you to. Pull out the tray, a little bit, spray the bottom with a little bit of your extra virgin olive oil spray. Go ahead and place those salmon fillets down into the basket. Oh, this is going to be so good. All right. Just like so. You don't want them to be touching. Just leave a little bit of room. Place it back into the air fryer, 400 degrees, for 10 minutes. And we will check back on those. Down to the last few seconds here. Let's pull it out. See how these look. You can hear them sizzling. Just to recap, for those of us that are just interested in how to do this in the air fryer, 2 Alaskan salmon fillets seasoned with ginger, soy sauce, and spicy red pepper, and a little bit of pink Himalayan salt, garlic powder. You are going to place it into your air fryer at 400 degrees for 10 minutes. So as I'm getting these plated up, I just wanted to tell you, if you want them to be a little bit crispier on the outside, I like how they turn out like this, but some people like it to be, extra crispy on the outside. Just leave them in a little bit longer. I've heard of people making, this size fillets. This is a little bigger than a deck of cards, and you can kind of gauge the thickness there, up to 15 minutes. But just, again, remember to spray the olive oil on the bottom, because that's going to prevent it from sticking. But one of my favorite parts is building the macronutrient meal around the salmon. So, of course, this is going to be delicious. This is actually going to be 2 meals for me, because I'm going to go ahead and pair it with, well, first what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this lemon in half, and I'm going to squeeze, and I'm going to squeeze. That is more gut health components. And then I'm going to cook up the delicious quinoa, 90 seconds. Doesn't get easier than that. And this is the garlic and olive oil quinoa. If you've checked out my channel before, I talk about it all the time. It's one of my favorites. It's Target brand. And then I'm going to dice up the avocado. Maybe I'll throw that in the air fryer too. I have another video on how to do avocados in the air fryer, so be sure to check that one out. Otherwise, just eat the avocado fresh, put it with onion, put it with pico de gallo, dice it up and mix it into like a apple cider vinegar and chickpea and onion, a little side dish. Put this over a bed of leafy greens, and I am telling you, the options are endless. But like I said, I hope you are enjoying this air fryer series. I love making these. Finding out how to use the air fryer to make healthier food choices has just been a game changer as far as my weight loss journey goes, because sometimes I wasn't as prone to choose these foods because I wasn't sure necessarily how to cook them. And before I discovered how easy everything was in the air fryer, sometimes the prep work and then standing by the oven and having to stick around for, 35, 40 minutes, it's just not that convenient in this busy world. So I hope you're enjoying the series. And if you know anybody else that you know that is trying to make healthier choices in 2026, be sure to share my channel with them. And I'm going to go meal prep this up, and I will see you in the next one.